Hello and welcome. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through a powerful tool called the Voluntary Benefits Bridge and Medical Plan Gap Calculator. This is designed to show you how voluntary benefits can save you from high out-of-pocket medical costs. Let's get started. First, navigate to the webpage myvbhub.com and click on VB Bridge Calculator. The calculator is broken down into 3 simple steps. Step 1 is define your current medical coverage. Here you'll enter the specifics of your current health insurance plan. Input your annual deductible, your coinsurance percentage. For example, you'd enter 20 for a common 80-20 plan, and finally, your annual out-of-pocket maximum. This sets the baseline. Now for step 2. Choose your voluntary benefit supplemental bridge. First, select your coverage level, whether it's just for you, you and a spouse, or children, or the whole family. Then, you can add different plans by checking the boxes for accident, hospital insurance, or critical illness coverage. Notice that if you select a plan like critical illness, you'll get more options to customize it, like choosing a benefit amount and entering your age, which helps calculate a precise cost. As you make selections, look right and below your personalized summary. This dollar amount updates in real time, showing your total estimated monthly cost for the benefits you've chosen. This is where you see the real power of these benefits. In step 3, simulate a life event. You can choose from several common scenarios like a car accident, a critical illness, or a sports injury. Let's click on sports activity, broken leg. Instantly, the tool calculates the financial outcome. You'll see the total estimated medical bill, what your out-of-pocket cost would have been with just your medical plan, and then the total amount the voluntary benefits would pay directly to you, and depending on what voluntary benefit boxes you checked in step 2, shows you what dollar amounts would come from each plan. The final number, your final net financial cost, clearly shows how much money you have left over to do whatever you want with. And that's it! In just a few clicks, this tool demonstrates how a small monthly investment in voluntary benefits can bridge the gap in your health coverage, protecting your savings from unexpected medical events. We hope you found this helpful and that you spend a couple of minutes running some different scenarios to see what works best for you.